Hi, this is Aletha McManama, your digital marketing maven, bringing you a vlog on a quick tip that I think that I'd like to share with you on how to effectively build your subscriber list for your website. And this particular tip I'm going to share, I'm going to be using my main WordPress website to demonstrate how you can make it look for your site sidebar and how you can add the web form to it if you wish, so that you can collect names and email addresses. So here we go. I'm going to bring you over to my website, and on the site sidebar you'll notice I have a free offer, which is an image of a marketing report that I'm still working on and will have done very shortly. But if I wanted to add a web form to it, then I would suggest you use some type of email marketing system that provides web forms, like aweber.com, which is what I use for all of my web forms and any type of communication I have out to my subscriber list. You can also use mailchimp.com, or you could use Constant Contact, and there are a couple of other ones that certainly are available to you, but I'm just giving you a couple of the three main ones that I know of and have used in the past. Alright, so now that you see that I have a image, and this is on my sidebar, and you can certainly add images pretty easily, but what I want to show you is I'm going to take you over to I want to be able to add a web form to this so I can collect names for my free offer. Now, whenever you create your free offer, you want to make sure that you're providing some type of something that's compelling to your readers to say, wow, yes, I want to sign up for this, I need this, depending on what your business is, something that you feel like is worth a lot of value, maybe something you later on can use to, as an ebook that somebody can purchase. But at the time, right now, you can use this as a way to grab readers, to provide those readers with a great articles, and then once you've gotten their information, if they want to continue to stay on your list, then you're able to communicate to them through your blog, newsletter, email blast as something new comes up in your business, like some type of event, some type of program, or a paid service that you're offering. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump over to what I have set up so far. I'm going to just take you where this particular theme I use the Builder theme for iThemes, and what they provide inside of the themes is what's called widget contents. And for each one of my widgets, I have set up what's called a widget content page in mine, and I have one called free offer, and then in here I have the image of my book, my content, my title. I have it under construction right now, but if I want to add a web form, then what I'm going to do is go over to Aweber, and I've already got it opened up. I've already got a web form set up. I'm going to grab the what's called the JavaScript. I'm going to copy that, and just so you know what it looks like, I'm just going to click over here. I customized it in Aweber. They have such great tools that you can use to really make it look phenomenal. And over here is, I'm going to show you how mine looks. This is how it looks. It's also transparent, so when it comes up on my sidebar, the background, the gray background, is going to come up behind it, so that the only thing that's you'll be able to see the text, and then of course the button for them to be able to click on to sign up. Alright, so then I have grabbed the JavaScript code for that web form. I'm going to come back over here, and what I'm going to do is I want to go to the HTML side of this particular widget. So I'm going to click on HTML, and then I'm going to just add the web form. What I'm going to do too is I want to center this web form, so I'm going to add a little bit of HTML code. So this is kind of like a mini HTML lesson for you. So I want to be able to align center. So I'm going to center this web form. Oops. And then I'm going to close that code with a P. Alright. And I'm going to click update. And what's going to happen is that's going to change my widget on my home page. So right now I'm just going to refresh my page, and then if you'll notice, as soon as I place that code in, there's the name, email, and then my little information about I promise to never sell your contact information in any third-party list ever. So that can ensure that whoever wants to subscribe knows that I'm never going to share their information with somebody else. Okay? So that's how you add a web form. Now, this is for, as I mentioned before, the builder theme has what's called widget contents inside of it. If you decide you want to do the same web form, you can actually create a page, but don't make it live. Set it up so it looks like this, and you'll notice that web form won't show it up because it's a JavaScript, so it won't show up in the page, in the visual aspect of the page. But once you've got everything in place, you can actually take, copy and paste. Now you'll notice I lost my web form because it will disappear sometimes in WordPress. So let's place that back in there. Alright, you can take and copy this content, and instead of what you could do is under widgets is you can create a text widget. So if I put like a text widget in place here, I'm going to put it here at the bottom, but I'll remove it once we're done, and then just paste that code in, hit save, and then what happens is when I refresh the page again, down at the very bottom of this sidebar you should be able to see that again, what I just created, and there it is. So you can do the same thing with a page, just grab your HTML code and paste it into a text widget. Alright, so that concludes today's video tutorial training on a quick tip for subscriber list building. I thank you very much.